Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to block screenshots on WhatsApp profile photo. So first, you just have to simply launch or open your WhatsApp application and then tap these three dots at the top right corner. Now you have to click settings. Under settings, you have to click privacy and then scroll down till you see this profile photo. So if you have set this to everyone or my contacts, I suggest that you tap this or set this to nobody. In this case, no one can tap your profile or take a screenshot of it. Because when you set your WhatsApp profile picture to nobody, no one, including your contacts or non contacts, will be able to view your profile picture. Next is that if you want to screenshot someone or if someone wants to screenshot your profile, for example, this is your profile, WhatsApp application has this new feature and has introduced a new feature that blocks users from taking screenshots or screen recordings of profile picture. This is what it looks like. So when attempting to capture a full screen profile picture, users will now see a blank screen or receive an error message. This update is likely aimed at enhancing privacy and preventing impersonation. If it's not yet in your country, then maybe soon it will be available. But for the meantime, you can use the first method in order for you to block screenshots on WhatsApp profile photo. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.